How to change address in Amazon. Hey everyone, it's me Shreya from lemme. Let's dive into the video. Firstly, open the Amazon app on your mobile device and log into your Amazon account. Once logged in, tap on the profile icon or account icon available in the bottom. Once you tap on it, you will be navigated to the account section. From there, all you have to do is tap on the Your Account option available there. Once you tap on the Your Account, scroll down till you find the Your Addresses option available there again. Once you tap on it, you will get to see your default address set. Now, if you want to change it, then you can simply tap on Add New Address option available on the top and add any new address you want to. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.